Welcome. In today's video, we'll be walking through how to create a board on Pinterest, step by step, with the latest updates. Whether you're new to Pinterest or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get your board set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a plus button. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your starting point for creating brand new content, whether it's pins, ideas, or boards. Next, from the options that appear, select Board. This is where you'll begin the process of building your personal collection space. After selecting Board, you'll be asked to enter a name. Type in something that clearly represents the theme or topic of your board. For example, if you're gathering home decor ideas, you might name it Living Room Inspiration or DIY Projects. Choosing a descriptive name will make it easier to keep your boards organized. Once you've named your board, you'll see the option to adjust privacy settings. Pinterest allows you to make your board either public or private. If you want others to find inspiration from your board, keep it public. If you prefer to use it for personal reference only, switch the visibility to private. Take a moment to decide which option works best for you. After setting your preferences, tap Next. At this point, Pinterest may give you some suggestions for pins you can add right away. You can choose to add some now, or simply skip and start filling your board later. Finally, confirm your choices, and your board is ready to go. You'll see it appear on your profile, ready for you to start pinning ideas, images, and projects that inspire you. And that's it. In just a few taps, your new Pinterest board is live. Now you can start collecting and organizing all the creative ideas you discover, neatly saved in one place. Whether you're planning a new project, organizing recipes, or setting up travel inspiration, boards make it easy to keep everything tidy and accessible. If this walkthrough helped, start creating your own boards today and bring your ideas to life.